Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen, and I am back to share some gifts from my friends again. Actually, I had shared already the gifts from Mimi, who is Mimi Jocelyn Designs on YouTube, and now I wanted to share with you guys the gifts from my sweet, sweet friend Paper Sweets, who is Sophia. And first of all, she had my gift wrapped in this gorgeous paper, this very vintage looking wrapping paper that's just beautiful. And then she had this pretty yarn. It's so super soft. It's like a baby's yarn, so super soft. And she had this wrapped all around. So I should have taken a picture, but I didn't. But anyway, yeah, she had it wrapped in this beautiful, beautiful wrapping paper. So thank you so much for that. It was so pretty. And let me just share with you guys what she gave me. She actually gave me a kit. It's an album kit that we were both eyeing when we were at Frank Garcia's studio. And it's actually a kit that was part of a class that was that had passed. Jody Lee had taught a class on a mini album, and but you can purchase the kit. So just to let you guys know, Frank Garcia's studio, the classes that he provides, if you are not interested in taking the class, or let's say you're not in California, obviously it's, you know, you don't want to fly out to take a class, you can, I believe, purchase the kits. That is, you know, all the material that is included in the class. And so anyway, we were looking at this Jody Lee mini album kit because it is tea party themed, you guys, and you guys know I love tea parties. You know, tea party anything, teapots, teacups. And so yeah, so this is actually like my Mother's Day gift. She gave me, I gave her my Mother's Day gift when we took the class, and she didn't have to, but she wanted to get me something nice for Mother's Day. So anyway, this is my Mother's Day gift. So it comes with instructions. So she was able to just pick this up from a Frank Garcia studio, but it has pictures, instructions on how you can construct this mini album, and then it comes with all the material. So let me just show you guys. Now, as far as I know, the paper line, I have not seen this anywhere. I don't know if Jody Lee is coming out with this paper later for Prima, but I don't know, tell you the truth. So let me just start off with the paper kit. I mean, it's all this and the papers, and it comes with the Frank Garcia, this is Memory Hardware Square. So it's a mini book that is already constructed for you, which is kind of nice. You just put the paper on there, and I love the size. This is a great size. It's a 6.5 by 6.5, so the 6 by 6 papers fit perfectly on this. So can't wait to use it if I ever have time. So let me go ahead and open this up and then share with you guys what's included in the kit. So the album looks like this, and like I said, it's constructed for you already, and all you have to do is to just add your, add your papers, which makes it so much easier. Because if you guys make mini albums, if you know, it takes time to make the cover and the spine, all this stuff. So this is so awesome. Okay, so you get that, and then let me show you the papers. If you guys don't know Jody Lee, the designer of this paper, her style is very vintage, shabby chic. So here are some cut aparts. They're little, what is that, like 1.5 by 1.5 squares that you can cut up. The back it's not double-sided. You have this doily pattern, really pretty. I feel like I don't have enough light, you guys. Hold on, sorry. Let me adjust my lighting here. Okay. Then you have this striped blue and kind of a peachy toned. So you get 2 of those. And then look at this. Look at the vintage teapots and teacups and saucers. Oh, love it. And you get 2 of those. So those are the 8x8 papers. And then you get this, the 6x6. So you get 2. Some you get 2 of each, some you don't. So I don't know how that works. Oh, I'm sorry, I have it upside down. Okay, so here you go. This has, look at this, teapot, and then what do you call it, hot air balloon. And then you have a fan up there. It's this gorgeous, gorgeous border here. Oh, I love it. So you get that. Look at this gorgeous blue with dots. Very mixed media. You have this one here that has a cake and birds and florals. Just absolutely gorgeous. You only get one of this one. This one here has some lovely ladies and vintage images. You have this collage, flowers and scripts in the background. Some flowers. Beautiful. Here it looks like you have some watermarks or like a stenciling look. Some hearts. Here's another sweets in cream, or in a, yeah, I guess like a tan color. And then you have another doily pattern. Oh, and you have another one of these striped, and then another one of these florals, and this pretty blue damask design. So isn't that gorgeous? It's all very shabby, and I haven't done an album in a long time, so hopefully I can work on that after my swap. You get some flowers, so included in the kit, this is a Prima flower that is, I think this is part of Frank's, well, I don't know. It kind of looks like the Havana papers, florals. And then some gorgeous, they kind of look handmade, so, but this kit, oh my god, let me just share with you guys. Sorry for the crinkling here, but I forgot to open it. Whoops. Oops, I lost a flower. I mean, look at this feather. It's like printed. It has a print on it. How shabby is that, right? I've not seen a feather like this, so that's going to be interesting to use. Look at this gorgeous flower with a nice center on it. It looks like it's stitched on felt. Another trimmed flower. This one got smushed, but it is a rosette, and it has also some a flower, a rolled flower, and some pearls. These pretty, I forgot what these are, but they look like wild orchid craft. Are these cherry blossoms? I can't remember. And these are gorgeous as well. They feel like velvet. And then you have this crocheted flower. This little flower here, which is a ribbon flower. We also have some trims. Maybe I won't take this one out, but you have trims here. And this, it looks like she just adhered it with washi, but you can use this journaling card as well. Look how gorgeous that is. It's a fan. It's like 3 fans. And then you have these rosettes, tiny rosettes, and tulle. That's gorgeous. Some more Prima flowers. Okay. That go along with the collection. And then some Say It in crystals. This is part of the Havana collection, but it coordinates well with that. You get some of this. Oh, I didn't. Let me look at this. This must be her journaling cards. And keep calm and drink tea. You have this vintage image. Really pretty. I just love all the little fans on this. Sweet Memory. This is gorgeous. Thankful for. Where there is tea, there is love. Lovely Day. The Sweet Memory. Postcard here. This lovely lady. And then I think that's it. And yeah, that's it. So pretty. She made these handmade embellishments. Look at that. It's a flare button, and it's layered with some cut aparts there, or cutouts, what do you call it, die cuts, and so some handmade embellishments is included. You get this resin piece, and just, this must be like her ephemera pack, or yeah, all kinds of doodads in there. Look at this resin teacup. Oh my god. Sophia and I are like, I wonder where she got this. It's so cute. It's a little teacup. Oh my gosh. You got resin pieces and wood veneers and all kinds of fun elements in there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I have time to show all that. And then I think this is the last thing. I believe there is a frame. So another resin frame. And some chain and just some charms in there. And this is actually a Michael's Pemberley charm. So she put that in there to kind of coordinate with everything, so, which is nice. I think I might have this pack too with this perfume bottle. So really, really pretty. And this was the kit. So let me just share with you guys this thing because I might as well. But it is beautiful. I can't wait to play with this. And I haven't really done a shabby project. But and Frank said I can even like work on this at the studio. There's certain days when you can just, you know, work there. You can bring your stuff, and you know, if you, I guess if you need help, they can help you. Look, another one of these, and some, looks like some cut aparts. Yeah, I would have loved taking this class, but I mean, I enjoyed Frank's class. And oh, these are like index cards, or just cut up white cards. We couldn't take the class because of the date. My husband was working that day. So really pretty. So yeah, I don't know if she, look at these doilies. I don't have any of these doilies. This she might have cut from the paper, maybe. I don't know. So really fun. Just a beautiful collection by Jody Lee. And again, this is called Tea Party. And I don't know if Frank has any more of these on sale at his shop, but you can definitely check it out and you know, call the studio and find out, and then you can go pick it up, or he can mail it out to you. I don't know if they have any more, but yeah, check it out, you guys. It's really pretty. And thank you so much, Sophia, for my Mother's Day gift. This is just so amazing, and you did not have to do this, but this is kind of like a Mother's Day thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, and let me just share one more thing. This is not part of the thing. But she also gifted me, Sophia, gifted me this little package right here. And she's so sweet. She did tell me that she was getting a couple of dies for me, but she went above and beyond that. So and look at this pretty rosette that she made. Oh my gosh. And with a little tail. Oh, it's so pretty. And then she put the dots on this starfish. This was just a plain, she said, I think it was a bead starfish. Anyway, look, she gifted me this die. I'm dying to do a mermaid project. Oh my god. And look at this pretty I don't know, like a, it's not a koi, is it? Maybe, might be a koi fish. Gorgeous topper. And then she gave me this happy day. Look how pretty the layered heart is right here. Gorgeous. And then she gave me this die. Thank you so much, girl. Oh my gosh, this is a Lena Craft die that everyone has apparently, and I finally have one. Yay! Thank you so much, Sophia. This is just amazing, you guys. I have the best friends, I'm telling you. So thank you so much for my gifts, Sophia, and talk to you guys later. Bye!